Hey everybody, thanks for joining Simply Random Videos. I'm Tyler.
I'm Seth.
It's Hot Wheel Thursday. This week we are using 3 monster trucks. These monster trucks are going to attempt to jump over other monster trucks. They'll be compete against each other to find out who can jump over the most monster trucks and stay upright. If you missed out on previous Hot Wheel videos, please check our Hot Wheels playlist. And remember, subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you won't miss out on any videos. And also, if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. Alright, let's get ready to go. Gravedigger, Scooby Doo, and Tasmanian Devil are going to start by jumping over 2 trucks. The survivors will move on to 3 trucks. Alright, first up, Gravedigger. Alright, go ahead, Seth.
Okay.
There we go. Oh, the Gravedigger has passed. On to Scooby Doo.
You just make it.
Alright, ready when you are.
Alright.
Oh, Scooby Doo has survived as well. Alright, last truck, Tasmanian Devil. Ready and go. Oh no, 3 trucks. We'll move on to 3 trucks. Alright, now we'll jump 3 trucks. Let's see who survives. First up, Gravedigger. Go. Oh, yeah, Gravedigger has survived. Alright, let's see if Scooby Doo can do the same thing. Alright, ready?
Alright.
Ooh. Oh, yeah, Scooby Doo as well. Alright, now it's up to Tasmanian Devil.
Let's use it if it can make it.
And go. There he goes. Oh, it's Tasmanian wiped out and is out. Alright, now we're going to jump over to 4 trucks. Alright, since Tasmanian Devil has wiped out, let's get one of the trucks that get jumped over. Alright, Gravedigger. And go. There it goes. No, Gravedigger has survived. Alright, let's see if Scooby Doo can catch up. And go. Oh, there he goes. Oh, they both have survived. Alright, since both trucks made it, we're going to jump over 5 trucks. Alright, Gravedigger. And go. There it goes. Oh, the Gravedigger has crashed. Alright, let's see if Scooby Doo can make it. Alright, and go. So we're on track. Oh, and Scooby Doo has won. Has won. Alright, since even though it's 1, we're going to see if it jump over 6 trucks. If it doesn't make it, it's still 1 because it jumped over 5. Alright, let's see if Scooby Doo can jump over 6 trucks. Alright, for the moment of truth. And go!
Come on!
There it goes. No! didn't come close. Alright, since he couldn't jump 6, it's still today's overall winner. Alright, since Scooby Doo couldn't jump over 6, but he was able to jump over 5, which makes him the winner. We'll see you next week on Hot Wheels Thursday. Please remember, subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you won't miss out on any new videos. And also, if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. See ya!